Okay, Jerry, we're nearing the end of the Toyota Avalon fix-up extravaganza. I need to fix the clunk in the trunk with some Moog rear swaby bushings. Okay, so these are, you guessed it, sway bar bushings. Let's take a look-see. This bar right here goes across the body, connects to the sway bar links, which connect to the struts. That's your sway bar, and you guessed it, it is for sway control, right? So when you turn left or right, the weight shifts on your vehicle left and right. Suspension takes that weight, and the sway bar helps keep control. This sway bar bushing right here has got some play in it. You give it a little shimmy shake, you can hear. So every time I go over a bump or turn sharply, get a nice little clunk in the trunk, and it is quite annoying. If you're hearing a little clunk when you turn the vehicle left and right or over bumps, it could very well be these sway bar bushings or the sway bar links. To check the links, you just grab the sway bar, kind of shake her up and down, and you'll feel play in the link joints. Are you 12 or 13? We're gonna figure that out. You can spray some silicone spray up in between them if you want. It's not very necessary, but it does help. We're just gonna take these off. Come here. There she goes. Same with the other side. Okay, just like that, the sway bar is loose, and we can now just pull these brackets straight down. Come here. Oh, there she goes. There she is. There you go. We're just gonna take this guy off. You can see crazy amount of play on that bud. Garboach, a little bit of silicone. And we're just gonna pop this guy on. Oh yeah, so that is nice and tight. Put this bracket back. There we go. Let's get the other side. That one's got some slop on her too, bud. That clamp was holding down the fort. Garboach. Garboach. A little bit of silicone. If you happen to have a STS Auto Design battery magneto holster, then you can just set your subcompact jacks in right here on the muff while you install this sway bar bushing. Grab the bracket, squeeze her into place. Okay, into your home. Thread that butt in. Take that from you. Tighten this one up just a smidge. There we go. Now we can get this guy in there. Probably find your home. 2 more bolts for you, Benji. You go in your home. Snug you down a little bit. Where'd you go? Come here. Definitely want to thread in any bolts you can by hand. If you use power tools to just cram jam bolts in, that's when you get strip threads and create your own problems. So don't do that. A little tappy tap. Oh yeah, that's nice. Come here. One more. Okay, come here, come here. There we go, that's it. Now we check. No more clunk in this trunk. Super easy fix. Rear sway bar bushings. Yes, the front of your vehicle has a sway bar as well, bushings and links. So if you're hearing a clunk noise in the front or the back of your vehicle going over bumps or turning the steering wheel left and right, you kind of hear it clunk, just check your sway bars, check your links and your bushings. If you feel any play in either of them, order them up, replace them. Beautiful, save some money. Thank you very much. Need to get that was easy button. We'll go ahead and order that off Amazon, 2-day shipping. This concludes rear sway bar bushing replacement on a 2003 Avalon Simba. Still need to get a emblem, by the way. I'm just going with the Toyota OEM emblem. As much as I'd like a Honda hybrid badge on there, it's probably not the best idea, so appreciate your guys' input with that. We're done.